Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Cyber Learn Safely. Today we are diving into a super fun topic, list and links in HTML. Whether you are a beginner or just need to a quick refresher, we have got you covered. So let's start. So come to the VS Code. I already designed a HTML structure. First is list, UL command. First up we have unordered list. Those are for when you want to list items without any specific order. You use the UL tag for the list and li tag for each item. Let's show. First write now save this file and go to Chrome browser and reload. Here are the list using UL command. Second is order list using OL command. Those are used when the order of item matters. You use the OL tag for the list and li for each item, just like before. Let's check out. Now save the file, reload this. Now here are the ordered list. And next is definition lists using DL command. Those are used for item and their definitions. You will use the DL tag for the list and DT for the each item and DD for the definition. How works? Now save the file and reload. Here are the definition lists. Now last is creating links. Here are the command for creating links using a tag and the href attribute to specify the link. Save the file and go to browser, reload this. Here this link, click on this. Now go to YouTube website. Now another one is create a email using a link. So type command type your mail ID here. Save this. Go to browser and reload. Click on this email as open email box. And that's it for today's video on list and links in HTML. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more awareness content. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.